Shh. One.
We are in the poop sanctuary.
Ano siya?
Malapit ng 5:30, teacher. Countdown, 10 minutes. Asa mo yun? Sige ba?
You say something about something, teachers.
Stinks like you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're the most beautiful creature in this place.
Am I stepping on the foot? On the poop rather?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Nearly.
Thank you for reminding me.
Yeah.
Yes. Where are the birds?
Kung magka-picture, hindi na makita.
It's because darkness rule the sky. Okay, welcome to Baras Bird Sanctuary.
And Stinky Sanctuary.
Yes, thank you. No, a poop sanctuary.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's witness the majestic creation of
Moment.
nature. Alright. This is my first time in 3 years here in Tacorong. Congratulate me.
And it's quite amazing.
Yes, quite amazing. You know why it is amazing?
Why?
It's because of the experiences, especially the poop experience.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
yes.
there's a poop.
Thank you, birds, for witnessing you.
Baho ka man.
Does it still smell great, teacher? What greatness of smell is it? Level 10 of poop shit? Okay, thank you. Mr. Marinas, you say something.
Nothing.
It's your girlfriend. You are visiting a very wonderful place, but a stinky place actually. Nalingaw lang ka mag-
Sure.
Araw man.
Those who are shouting, those are the people who don't know how to appreciate nature. Do you understand me? Yes?
They're ugly.
Yes, they are ugly like you, Miles. Thank you. Ay, you tap my butt. You smell it now. Shh, don't tap my back. Miles. You're trying. Sa.
Touch.
Umanda ka.
Sir Eugene, sasakit. Touch. Touch.
Wow.
You know?
There you go. There you go.
But sure, 6:30 now.
Birds are really hovering the sky. Yes.
4:30 pa lang pa. It's all one time.
Saan sila makakuha ng food? Wala man ng food dyan.
That's why they go around, teacher. That's why every morning they are not here because they are trying to looking for the food.
Ah, sana lang si bumanda ka.
What? Say something about something.
Sir, you know.
There you go. Wow, we the Guzman.
Teacher, before we leave this place,
That again, Miles.
before you leave this place, I will say something to you. You are
What?
guapo.
Thank you. I know that already. No need for you to remind me. Do you
Are you
understand?
sure?
Yes. My mother always told me that.
You're so pangit. Ikaw
Okay.
lang sakyan, teacher.
I did not notice there's a canal pala in there. Wow, great. Am I great, teacher Eugene?
Yeah, you are.
Thank you. God, I don't want to miss this thing.
Are we go? Sure, mauna na kami.
Bye-bye. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's in your back, teacher Mayan. What are you doing? Oh my God! They're everywhere! This is a bird invasion! Birds invasion! They are trying to invade us! Oh! They are so great! We seem like crazy, but it's true! They are hovering again in the sky!
Ano selfie pag may time?
Selfie picture how?
Magical!
Very magical! Kukinto, you say something about magical.
Number one quiz, scientific name ng quiz.
Again, with the action. Very good. Goodbye. Goodbye. You say hi. Hi. Wave your hands. Churros, you say something about something.
This is so magical!
It is something that I can't really understand and believe and forget, and it's really something.
Yes, it's very something, teacher.
This is a documentary teacher.
How much?
Because I don't have money.
Legacy na namo.
Yeah.
Ako talaga. Ako talaga.